Good morning, everybody. It's Stu here from Hot Forex. Welcome to a new trading week. Very much in focus will be the pound this week. I'm just starting with the Australian dollar here. We dipped down over under 72 following on the close on Friday, and we've had a strong old rally this morning on fairly strong housing data. It came at 2.2%, so that's helped the Aussie back over 72.20 zone here. So that's recovered a wee bit. Stock markets closed very weak on Friday's close. The US stock markets were down 2.5%, 3% on the Nasdaq. Euro dollar weakened as well on the weaker than expected NFP number. We've got the rate curve on the 2s and the 5s still inverted, and we have obviously trade tensions still rumbling on, and the telecoms company Highway undermining things as well as far as the dollar's concerned. So here Euro's rallied over 114 following NFP, and it's held that this morning at 14.20. Not a great deal of data out of Euro area today. I think there might be a speech later on. I'm not sure. Italian industrial production is the only one that draws my attention. So here we're right on R1 here at 114.25. Pivots down here at 113.92. So 114 becomes key for Euro dollar today. Yen. Dollar weakened, yen's improved a wee bit. We ran all the way down to 12.30 zone overnight, and then we've dollars recovered against the yen. It was weak yen data really that's caused this pickup in the dollar here, but pivot remains here at 12.72, and we're over support one at 12.50 so far. So 12.50 zone becomes a key little. See how that's there with those fractal lows. Comes key support today. As I say, pound very much in focus. We just had the official ruling from the European Court of Justice that the UK can indeed leave Article 50 unilaterally. So we had a bit of an up and down session. So here the pound fell into the open. Sorry, rallied in on the open this morning, and it's ran into its pivot point at 127.59. Another big volatile hour at the moment, and we're at 127.30. So pressure is capped here. This pivot point and the key 200 period moving average here intraday at 127.60. Big strong support there for cable going to the north, and pressure to the downside. Support is the low today has been down here at where are we? 127.02. So yeah, 127 is going to be tested today by the looks of things according to this, but we'll see. Currently hanging on to S1. I say big move. Let me just show you the future on the S&P down on close, and we've just gone sideways since. So we're under this 2628 zone, which is a key level up on the daily charts. But more on that later. Gold's been the big beneficiary of this weakening pound. Weakening euro dollar. Excuse me. We've cracked the 12.50 level, so that's very interesting. We'll see where we closed today, obviously, but 12.50 has been breached so far today. Strong Asian session there over this 12.45 level, but over 12.50 as well at one point earlier today. So pivot down here at 12.42. You know, that 12.35 I talked about last week is still key. But 12.45 now, it looks like a bit of support area, and we got R2 all the way up here at 12.51. So strong gold market to start this second week of December. Oil rallied on obviously the OPEC news on Friday. We rallied to 54. We held 53 for a wee while, and then we've come back down. Now we're not quite sure where we're going from here. We're at 52.30 and falling, but key congestion here now through these moving averages here at 52.50 seems to be a key level here. You see 52.50 here, 52.50 where we are at the moment. So that's a key level for oil going forward. So trade carefully this Monday. We've got a raft of UK data in about an hour's time. We've got GDP, manufacturing production data, but really the pound is obviously all in focus on tomorrow night's vote. The vote will go ahead, Mrs May said over the weekend again. It's been reiterated by a new Brexit secretary. So pound very much in focus this week, and certainly tomorrow starts it all, but lots of data this morning to try and point in some direction as well. So take care, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.